Why is sleeping on your left side better than the right side? We all know that getting enough sleep is vital for mental and physical health, but it turns out that sleep posture is also important in achieving optimal health. Evidence shows that sleeping on one's left side may be the key to improved health and sleep for many people. Due to the placements of many organs, it appears to be beneficial to our stomachs, backs, and even hearts. Here are 6 advantages of sleeping on your left side. 1. Improves the lymphatic system function. Because the left side of our body is the dominant lymphatic side, sleeping on your left side assists your body to better filter lymph fluid and waste through the lymph nodes. Sleeping on the left side can also help the body cleanse waste products from the brain. 2. Benefits digestion. Due to gravity, sleeping on the left side may be superior to sleeping on the right when it comes to digestion. Food waste can readily pass from the large intestine to the descending colon when lying on the left side. Sleeping on the left side allows the stomach and pancreas to hang naturally, which can help with pancreatic enzyme production and other digestive functions. 3. Promotes heart health. Pregnant women should sleep on their left side to optimize circulation to the heart, according to doctors. Even if you aren't pregnant, lying on your left side may relieve some of the pressure on your heart since gravity can aid in both lymph draining toward and aortic circulation away from the heart. 4. Best for expectant mothers. Sleeping on the left side benefits more than only pregnant women's circulation. It can also decrease back pain, prevent the uterus from compressing the liver, and enhance blood flow to the uterus, kidneys, and fetus. As a result, physicians usually urge that pregnant women sleep on their left sides as often as possible. 5. Reduce heartburn. Lying on one's left side can help minimize acid reflux symptoms due to the fact that our stomach is on the left side. The results are pretty quick. If you're experiencing heartburn after a meal, try lying down on your left side for 10 minutes. 6. Alleviate back discomfort. Switching to the left side of the bed can help those with persistent back discomfort. This is due to the fact that sleeping on your side can reduce strain on your spine. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.